Good morning, student. In this is class 5 carbonyl compounds, preparations of benzaldehydes. So how to prepare the benzaldehyde? So benzaldehyde, structure of benzaldehyde. This is first preparation method: oxidation of methyl benzene. Oxidation of methyl benzene. So this reaction also known as Ettard reaction. What? Ettard reaction. Methyl benzene reaction with chromyl chloride followed by the hydrolysis to form the benzaldehyde. This reaction is called as Ettard reaction. Okay. So methyl benzene. What is simple example? Toluene. So reaction with chromyl chloride and calcium disulfide to form the chromium complex. After this compound hydrolysis to form the benzaldehyde. Okay. So toluene reaction with chromyl chloride and calcium disulfide to form the chromium complex. This is further hydrolysis to form the benzaldehyde. By side chain chlorination followed by the hydrolysis. So here what? CH3 is the side chain. So side chain is chlorination, reaction with chlorine and the presence of UV light to form the CHCl3. This further hydrolysis to form the benzaldehyde. So side chain chlorination followed by the hydrolysis. Side chain chlorination after hydrolysis to form the benzaldehyde. So next preparation, Gattermann-Koch reaction. So what? Gattermann-Koch reactions. Here benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and Cu2Cl2. Is called Gattermann-Koch reaction. So benzene reaction with what? Carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride and copper dichloride to form the benzaldehyde. So this reaction is Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is very important reaction. From the benzoyl chloride, Rosenmund reaction. This reaction is known as the Rosenmund reaction. So benzyl chloride C6H5 C double bond O Cl. Benzyl chloride reaction with palladium and barium sulfate to form the benzaldehyde. So this reaction is known as Rosenmund reaction. So in Rosenmund reaction, which catalyst? Palladium and barium sulfate. Next, Duff reaction. What? Duff reaction. So benzene oxidation in the presence of hexamethyl tetramine. CH2 6 and N4. Hexamethyl tetramine to form the benzaldehyde. Okay. Benzene reaction oxidation with the hexamethyl tetramine to form the benzaldehyde. So this is the preparation methods of benzaldehyde.